Welcome to Kabod Photo Video. This is part of the season Drone Life, or let me see, Drone Life. We're gonna be uploading videos around every Thursday or every Friday, and it's gonna be just like us hiking in different areas over here in the state of Florida. We are going to Texas also pretty soon, and we're gonna bring a lot of content that has to do with the drone views on different areas where you can spend time walking, socializing, meeting people. So welcome to season 1, episode 1, Drone Life. Welcome to Kabod Photo Video. Like, comment, share. I always respond to all the comments. Welcome to Kabod Photo Video. This is the drone view. So this that you're seeing right now is basically the path of hiking through the forest over here in Central Florida. But this is me driving the drone. It's kind of like very difficult because there's a lot of branches all around. But I think I did pretty good. But that's what we're seeing right now. Okay, so on Kabod Photo Video, we're gonna be creating a area that is like for like hiking and drone life. So it's gonna be drone footage, but just like a drone pilot. What happens during the weekends, what happens during the day, what happens during spending time. And maybe I'm gonna start uploading videos like in every Friday or every Thursday. And this is one of the trails over here. So subscribe, like, let me know if you like this kind of video. I'm gonna most likely leave the location at the description of the video over here on YouTube. So welcome to Kabod Photo Video. Look at this view. Everything is like Welcome to Kabod Photo Video. This is season 1. Yeah, season 1. We're gonna start getting ready for the drone life season 1. Yeah, I'm still figuring out, like what kind of name I'm gonna use, what I'm gonna use, but I think drone life season 1. So I'm gonna show you the drone view. This is like a trail. Things you can do over here in Florida. So this is the drone life. De ahí venimos. Está todo cerrado aquí. So, esto es cuando estás entrando para acá, en esta área de acá. Este es el trailer que tú vas con el carro. Que es así como que bien natural, ¿me entiendes? Bien sano. Yo metí el carro completo para acá, para adentro. Mira, lo ves ahí. Es que aquí no lo ves.
Tengo que echarle para atrás a la cámara. ¿Ves el trailer acá? Entonces, ves así como natural. Tú puedes dejar el carro afuera si tú quieres y caminar todo esto. Pero, ¿para qué? Si como quiera tienes que caminar por dentro de toda esa selva para llegar al río, al área. So, te voy a poner el drone view ahí que tengo, así que espero que lo disfrutes.